Yo, what's up with you guys? Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's you Kings right here. I share my forex educational knowledge on this YouTube channel, and I also document my trade here. Alright, so maybe if this is your first time of joining me, please do well to subscribe, guys. Subscription is 100% free. Just do that. Hit the subscription button and also turn the bell notification icon so that you're notified every time I drop video on this YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, let's go. Earlier this week, I actually posted that I'm going to start a challenge, guys, and it's really awesome. Let's see how far we can go in this 2024, guys. The goal is to start with 10k dollars funded till 200k dollars funded. So that's the first target. Now the interval is just 6 months, okay? So I expect to get funded 200k dollars, right, with Profem, starting from a 10k account. All right, then you should know this is not actually the first Profem account I'm trading. Okay, I have about 3 accounts that is funded already. All right, that's I traded last year. Okay, but this one is a fresh account that I want to use for this challenge. I just got the account for the purpose of this challenge. Okay, so I broke the goal down into 3. The first is getting funded 10k dollars. Then second goal is using the withdrawal to purchase a 100k dollars account, right? Then after 100k, then I use the withdrawal from the 100k to purchase either 100k or 200k. So we either progress from 10k to 200 or 300k dollars account. All right, and the interval is just 6 months, guys. So I'll be sharing my trade every single week right here. That's the update on the account. Okay, so I'll be sharing the progress on the account every single week. All right, turn on the notification bell so you're notified about it, because it's really awesome. Okay, because we'll be doing this together, we're doing this live. So this is not just like me coming up to tell you that, okay, I got funded to some amount without knowing the process. So this is like you being able to learn the process, learn the risk management applied, learn the psychology behind it and everything, guys, because I'm doing everything live. Then let's see how far it will take us to achieve this, and I know it's 100% possible, right? So the first target is just 200k dollars funded or 300k dollars funded, then before we target million funded, right? But for now, guys, let's start with this. Okay, so we start execution 100%. Okay, for this challenge I'll be trading just one pair Euro USD and just one ICT model, guys. You don't need to trade many pairs for you to become profitable. Just a single pair with one model is actually enough. Okay, 2 to 3 trades a week. All right, so you are good to go. And personally, I used to have at least 3 trades every week, just one pair and one model. Okay, so let's see how far we go, guys. I'll be showing you live execution. Okay, showing you guys live execution, showing you guys my chart, showing you guys my journal. Okay, to tell you guys this is not like I'm not trying to fake anything. I'm going to be like as real as anything, so that you watch the process, guys. And I believe this challenge is going to help other persons, okay, to know, okay, this is how you can actually stick to the process, giving it to time, not trying to flip. No, I'm not trying to like pass the challenge in a day or what. No, I don't do that. I have a risk appetite. I have a set down rules that I follow in this execution. Okay, so my own is to follow my trading plan and execute 100%. Then I will record the updates and upload on this my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, make sure you are following, make sure you follow, because I think this is going to help a lot of struggling traders to know that, okay, you can actually do this. Okay, you can actually start with 10k dollars account. You can actually start with 5k dollars account. We have 3k dollars accounts. Okay, so any amount you have there, then make sure you leverage on Profem. Okay, so if you want to know the Profem actually used for this challenge, please check the description, then use my link, then register, guys, then you can actually get accounts with them. Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, I'll be taking you guys to my chart. I'll be showing you guys the execution I made for the week. Okay, this week is actually profitable, but not that way, because my target was at least I should make at least 5%, but the week is not so smooth. Okay, we don't control the outcome, definitely. So anything the market gives us, that what we take. Our own is to execute 100%, right? So but it's still in positive. We are still in positive, guys. Actually made 1% on the account. Okay, executing 4 trades. Okay, we had about 2 losses, 1 break even, and 1 win for the week. And I believe this week is going to be awesome. Just what I need, just 2 trades, but possibly I will pass the account. Okay, so I'm following the process, guys. I'm not jumping anything. I'm not trying to like flip. No. I'm risking 1% on this account. Okay, so I'll be taking you guys to the chart, then I will show you the chart before I will show you the risk management and the psychology I use to trade the account. Okay, so guys, you're welcome back to the chart. Okay, this is actually my trading journal. Okay, where I journal all the trade. Okay, so let's start from here. So looking at this place, you can see this is my trading journal. Euro USD is my personal trading journal. Okay, I actually have 2 trading journal. I have like the fiscal one in my book, in my journal, in my notebook. Okay,
then I actually do the screenshot and upload it here, so that whenever I'm studying and I'm reviewing my trade, I'll be able to like assess them, then spot the entry, then learn, know what's wrong and what I did right, So that's the process, guys. So everything is here, because these are all my journals. This last month, this was December. This was December. December was really awesome. Like, we made so much money though. So, and you can see, so this week, okay. So this week, this week trade, it started from here. So this week started from here. You can see New Year 2024, or January. So this was I think trading view was closed on Monday, so we started from Tuesday. So this is the first setup we had on Tuesday. You can see the setup right here, okay, guys. And it's actually a clean setup. My setup is very simple. I trade from FVG, I trade from swing points, all right, in 1 hour. Okay, once price return into swing points or FVG, guys, I will just go to my lower time frame, which is either 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or 5 minutes, and look for entry, guys, entry confirmation, and I execute. Okay, so that's it. So this was, I think, a return to FVG right here. Then price actually wicked me out. You can see this. It just wicked me out and delivered massively. Like, it was really painful, though I didn't feel it so much. But as human beings, it's not proper for you actually know the direction, but price still wicked you out by about less than 2 pips and delivered in your direction. But it is what it is, guys. I accepted my risk. Then this was the second trade, which was on Wednesday. You can see Wednesday, 3rd January, London T-zone, 5 minutes FVG sell entry. You can see it, guys. Very, very clean entry, guys. And I think it's a stopwatch entry. You just take out a swing high, and I look for my entry from 3 minutes. Is it 3 minutes or 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes, and it delivered beautifully well. You can see it, guys. 1:3. That's my target always. Okay, but this trade I actually take, you can see, but I closed 30 pips. My target is 30 pips in all trades, because this trade, the stop loss is bigger than 10 pips. So whenever I have that, I reduce my target is always 30 pips, guys. So I think what actually generated from this trade was 1:2.7. Yeah, it's not up to 1:3, but it delivered 1:3. But I just took profit somewhere around here before it delivered 1:3, guys. I don't need to be greedy. Okay, I just follow my rules. Then this was Thursday setup. All right, you can see a sell entry, but price reversed against us. We actually have a complete reversal on Thursday. Okay, I also traded NFP, but I did that on my personal account, right? I did that on my personal account. So let's head to the chart, guys. Let's head to the chart. So this is the chart, guys. I told you guys that I trade from 1 hour FVG and swing points. All right, so this is the first trade for the week. You can see this was Tuesday. So this is the Tuesday, the one that messed us up. You can see price actually returns to this gap right here, and I expected a drop, and you see a massive drop. Regardless, it still dropped massively, but it whipped us out about less than 2 pips and delivered in my direction. Like, it is what it is. So this was on this was Wednesday's setup. Okay, this was Wednesday's setup. So you take out this swing high and delivered. Okay, remember, I trade time and price, please. So this thing must happen at a specific time. For London Q zone, I always look out for this entry from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York Q zone. New York time. So that's London Q zone is 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Okay, then I also trade at, I look out for this setup at London close, which is from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. All right, so this is it. I look out for the setup from 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York time. Okay, from 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York time. Okay, anytime the setup forms, I execute. You understand? So, but any setup that formed outside this time range is not my setup to take. So this is it, guys. It's stopwatch, and this thing works very well on EURUSD. Like, it works massively, at least up to 60 to 90% win rate, depending on the month, right? So this was the okay. We took 2 trades on Thursday. We had 2 trades, guys. The first one was a stop loss. Then the second one, it take out this high, so I changed my bias to buy. Okay, I expected price to actually buy to feel that is an FVG. You can see this FVG right here on the daily time frame. Okay, I expected price to, like, this was Thursday, so I expected price to expand up, filling at least 50% of the range, but it didn't. All right, so it just disappointed me, though. It is what it is. So close with a little profit on this business, so it covered up with some losses right there. So this was the NFP. I didn't trade today. I didn't trade on Friday. Okay, you can see this is the NFP news, but I traded the news itself. I'll be showing you guys. I traded it on my personal account, like on my personal account, not a pro firm account. Okay, I actually made about almost times 4, and I placed my withdrawal. Okay, so let's go to lower time frame. So I'll be showing you this trade, guys. I'll be showing this trade. So this was the NFP trade that I took. It gave me about 1:4R, okay. So I'll be showing you guys the withdrawal on the screen. I made about 2 withdrawals last week because we actually ended the week profitable. So I placed my withdrawal on my personal account. So, and I think it's actually my friend that motivated me to trade the NFP, and I did and still made money. Okay, I looked at the analysis. Then, from my knowledge I had from this in trading NFP, I analyzed. I know that it's going to be the NFP news effect is going to be a sell. So actually placed trade about 1 minute before the news. I placed that, then I caught this move, then closed below here. Okay, then I made my money, guys, and withdrawal. Placed another withdrawal immediately. So this was the second trade we had on Tuesday. You can see on Thursday, you can see it actually explained to this place. Like this thing, the thing is, price is price to actually do it thing. By default, you should like hit my take profit, but it didn't. But I held the trade for long, then I closed about say with little profit because my trading section is ending, so I have to close because I am not a swing trader and I don't go trade overnight. So that's why I closed with little profit. And that is it, guys. So this one was a complete loss. So from here, guys, you see that we had you can see this is a win. So this is another loss. This one that we took us like. So we took 4 trades this week. Apart from the NFP, I traded 4 trades on this account this week, and 2 was a loss, 1 win, and 1 break even. The one I closed with little profit. Okay, so that's the trade, guys, I executed. So I show you guys this is the trade. So I'll be posting the execution on the screen, guys, so that you will see
the trade I executed, guys. We actually had 2 losses and just 1 win. Okay, so that's why we actually up 1% on the account. So you can see the execution, guys. So that's the trade we took for the week. All right, I executed all my trades, but actually took about 5 trades on my personal account. Okay, and I made good profit. I made the first withdrawal. Okay, then also made second withdrawal after I traded NFP. All right, and we actually made money for the week, guys. Okay, so though there is no much progress on this particular account, maybe next week we hope to pass it, or at least we should be up to 6%, 7%, or probably pass the first challenge. Okay, so we are taking it step by step, guys. I'm not rushing anything. All right, I'm not rushing anything. I have personal account, I'm trading, I'm making money from the market. So this one is for challenge purpose. All right, but just the thing is, the goal is every setup that forms, that is my model, I'm executing it 100%. all right, without fear, without this thing, without thinking too much, so that's the goal, guys. 100% execution. And that's one of the problems most struggling traders are facing. Like, not that they don't have the strategy right there, not that they say they don't have an edge, but the problem is execution problem, because they fear, they think, they don't want to be wrong, they don't want to lose money. No, come off that, guys. See, trading is a game of probability. Okay, so the thing is, just understand your model. Okay, just know your edge, know how well your model is doing. Okay, like personally, I'm sure that it's very hard if I will have a negative week. Okay, I think most of the time it's just what we had this week. Okay, just about 1% or so. That's what we happen. All right, but most of the time, guys, my setup have a very good edge in the marketplace. You understand? So with this understanding, I will know that even if I lose in the marketplace, guys, I don't need to worry, because even if I have 3 consecutive losses, just one setup can actually clear the losses, guys. The next setup will place me at least 3% ahead if I'm risking 1%. Okay, so that's the psychology, guys. Just knowing my edge, knowing that okay, my setup works 60% of the time. So with this, and each time I execute, guys, it's just 3%. So anytime I risk $100, I'm expecting to make $300. If I risk $1K, I'm expecting to make $3K. Okay, so with this now, I'm sure that if I take 3 losses, which most times it's hard to happen, but at times it does. Okay, because there's no holy grail. At times you have consecutive losses. Okay, so even if I make 3 consecutive losses, just 1 win will clear my losses. So when I know this, guys, my aim is just to make sure that I execute all my trade, so that the day I will have the winning trade shouldn't be the day I actually miss the missed entry. Do you understand? So that's the aim. So most persons, they are very, very fearful. So thereby they will be taking trade that will hit stop loss. The one that will give the win, they will not take the trade. Okay, you will see that your edge is actually profitable, but you're not seeing the outcome in your MT5. That is your trading account. So this is it, guys. So the game now is, once you understand your model and know how well it's doing, so your goal is to execute 100%. You understand? So, and that's what I'm doing in this account, guys. I'll be showing everything live. Like no thinking. Once it is my model, I execute. I don't need to think, guys. Highest I will lose 1%, you understand? And so that's it, guys. I'll be showing you guys all the process, the psychology behind it. The psychology is just 100% execution. That's my psychology. 100% execution. I execute my setup without thinking. Do you understand? Because I'm very, very familiar with my setup. Anytime it forms, I don't need to know whether it will win or not, because the outcome of every trade is random. So me knowing that the outcome is random, guys, I don't need to think too much. All right, I just execute with proper risk management and allow my edge to play out. Okay, so if my edge play out very well, I used to it always do, any of the, I'll definitely pass this account and get funded. All right, before the month runs down. Okay, so that's it, guys. I just understand my edge. 100% execution. That is the psychology behind this. Okay, guys, the psychology. 100% execution. Then giving into my edge to play out and applying proper risk management. Okay, so with this, let's see how far we can go. So once we get funded, the first target is to make 5%. Then we withdraw. Then I'll use it to purchase a new account. All right, because this one is, I think the prop firm, their minimum this thing is once you get funded, you just have 5 days. All right, you can withdraw after the 5 trading days. Okay, so that's why I love the prop firm. Okay, so I just get it. Then next target, I'll use it to buy a 100k account. Then let's see how far we can go. Let's see how long it will take us to achieve this, guys. But definitely it's 100% possible, and I'm going to carry everybody along, guys. So guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, okay, and actually follow me up on this challenge. Let's see how far you can go. So maybe you have money, you can actually purchase an account, all right, with funded pips. The profile is funded pips. Okay, you can purchase accounts with them, and let's go. Okay, you can actually join me in my Telegram channel where I share live signal. Okay, so my guys share live signal right there. Okay, and at times I also share signal, but just know that every set of the post there is the same setup I'm taking. Okay, because we trade just one model. All right, so that's it, guys. So make sure you follow. You can join my Telegram channel at UFI Trade Hub. It is a public Telegram channel, so just go to Telegram, search UFI Trade Hub, or you drop a comment. I will send you the link. All right. So I wish you all good luck, guys. So let's see how far you can go. Let's see how next week is going to be, guys. So this week is really awesome. At least I made a very good amount of money from my personal account. All right. So till the next time, guys, I wish you all good luck and bye for now.